Hello guys, today we're gonna change speed gear ratio. What I mean by that, basically make longer gears. On my front I have 13 teeth sprocket, on my rear I have 51. So on front 13, on my back 51. So we done the test, the top speed of this kind of settings. And the top speed was 113. So on front I will gonna put now 14 teeth. That should increase 8% of speed. And especially you will gonna feel on first or second gear. This is new front sprocket. What I really hope so will be not too big. Let's see. Old and new one. It looks very similar, but it actually one teeth is makes much bigger. The old sprocket looks like have a holes for some kind of reason. Maybe for better ventilation, or could be any different specification. But new one doesn't have. So anyway, we're gonna put that. Was all good, all perfect. Everything fits together. Just wonder what's the reason. Front sprocket was bigger, so I need to lose the chain. But anything on that was perfect. Honda CRF 250R 2015. Let's do the test with new front sprocket. And we have big difference right away. You can feel longer gears. And final result is 122 km per hour. So we increase 9 km per hour straight away, just with one teeth. It sounds good actually, but from first and second gear you feel big difference. It's more comfortable for me, because the most of the time I am driving in trails, so I need longer gears.